So, now we're putting in an air raid play that is a hell of a counter off of the go concept and run and shoot. And then we got an air raid play that's a great counter off a streak. And so that's kind of what we're putting in is we're taking a lot of these. We got some air raid quick game concepts that are catch, get it out. But what we're also doing is taking these base run and shoot concepts that you see over and over again, like choice, streak, and go, and we're putting in an air raid play to counter that play. And it's coming together so cool, man. It's going to be really,
awesome.
really